when you fall sick, are there enough capable and equipped hospitals to take care of your health needs? Is education under threat? Is it progressing and reaching out to where it needs to? So how real are the transport issues of Pakistan? Are illegal constructions a real problem? Do we believe in basic human rights? As the world focuses on climate change, is Pakistan taking even the first steps towards becoming green? The issues that matter, the stories you face every day. The Other Story with me, Osama bin Javed, every Sunday at 7:05 p.m.